Well, I'm Donna Williams, and I have my son Jeff here. We moved here and started farming here in 1961. We currently have probably about 250 to 300 head here, and they can milk 150 more if they need to. We have 4 wells here at the farm.
When they come in to work the ground to start the well pad and this tank pad, they didn't interfere with our farming operation, and everything was good.
It's been a great economic boost to us. My sons have bought some new machinery.
It's money in the bank and makes you feel good, and you want to continue farming, and it's good.
As far as this tank pad, we have approached DEP because Mark and Jeff would like to have this left here. The gas company has seeded it all the way around. There would be no runoff and erosion. It would be a great advantage for us for farm machinery, the big round bales, and even the bags of silage. Originally, the pipeline came into the wells, and they have just completed another section of the pipeline from the well pad. We have had no negative dealings with the pipeline people or the drilling people. They've always been very informative. Right behind me is a hay field that the pipeline came across, and they've just taken third cutting hay off that. And you can't even tell that the pipeline is there. I don't think we would have any objection to hosting another pipeline. I've been to a number of informational meetings and found Williams and their employees very, very hospitable, very informative. You know, they take you to show you the maps, and it's just a plus point for we as landowners and residents to be able to go and seek out this information and come away feeling that it's an A-OK project. You know, before they came into the county and started their project, there was not a lot of employment. How I've seen other businesses grow that are able to provide services for the natural gas industry, it has been a great economic boom for our county. Of course, because of our crops and our nice hay fields, it's a real drawing card for wildlife, deer, turkeys, and we've seen deer right by the well pad, and they pay no attention to it. So as far as it having any detrimental effect, I would say not. There's just been no negative comments or anything that's happened as far as the animals here at the farm and the wildlife.